Ini bihu ke ceng hocita kang ninang ko kathike la son lo jo athema lage time bound alarm pinapot pederlote repol ke nadagi sinitum repol ke hang bangke Odali number 57 PS number 57 Odali left wing abang alada arnisi election ke dwar ni polling arni bayi pho phita adada arta kave arlo so tumpan arlo so somar tumpan adak vote papijok ore tu amat bang kli Ohomia tum alang litum podun lok lo tek dun lok lo amasi alang litum fridun pun lo amat hala arlo somar dombang ke kadruk pusi alang litum bang ke tek long penomat amat hala presiding officer man ne tumhan arjulo lage litum social media long da theklong hurlo alang litum reply pe me thekte det atema ladak nitum suspect lo ladak ke rigging pe dovek lo latum la bayi pho pen cheng lok lo mene amat lasi haladak rigging dovek lo a record potro bange avejata thek rigging pu setha ladak rigging pe dovek lo la sini tu di mana bang hadak repol bek nangi pula hello atima lason arjulong bom a record chepa vede tiki bang kai noise kang hu tunge ni tunge chong hu lo hu pu bang yok kai than the de pote ma ju la sila record tu ke long le de ji mini seta bang social media lo anta flash that lo la solam la si kado veta kachini pe mi ning kang samja phat ladak la isia dim bange repol do tuwek nang ikusin itum kadimat la sila so aputhak nitum memorandum pini district commissioner bate la district commissioner hello returning officer lopot returning officer lopen district commissioner panel itum memorandum pini PG pur memorandum to basic dikhol nahoy on 9/4/2026, the polling day of the present general elections to the Assam Legislative Assembly after 5 p.m., that is after closing of the polling hour, it was seen by Sri Kondorpo Bora, son of Punaram Bora, Sri Pranjol Bora, son of Robin Bora, mobile phone number yat likha ase, Sri Biju Phukon, son of Ganesh Phukon, and Sri Bipul Bora, son of Putul Bora of village number 1 Odali Bokolia, PO and PS Bokolia, that several minor underage girls whose names are not in the voter list were seen voting in the PS number 57 Odali LP School left wing polling booth. So they entered the polling booth to prevent the rigging of polling of votes. Seeing them entering the polling booth, the minor girls who were voting illegally ran away. The presiding officer and other polling officials could not give any satisfactory reply to Sri Kondorpo Bora and his friends as to why the underage girls who were not voters were allowed to vote after polling hour had closed. Sri Kondorpo Bora and his friends took live video of the polling booth and sent out for public view in the social media. All the people have seen and heard the rigging of the poll. That, sir, we do not know how many unauthorized persons must have voted illegally in the polling booth before the law-abiding Sri Kondorpo Bora and his friends had detected the rigging of polling there. That is a very serious act committed by the presiding officer and his polling officials and the unauthorized persons who had voted and who had brought the minor girls to vote illegally. They have infringed upon and violated the democratic rights of the legal voters and the citizens. We have already submitted to the returning officer a formal complaint dated 10 April 2026 under the signature of Sri Komal Singh Inghi, President MSC Constituency Committee APHLC, demanding repoll and objected against proxy voting by minors or non-voters after closing hours. But the repoll has not been ordered by the returning officer till today without giving any reason. We therefore demand that repoll must be held in PS number 57 Odali LP School left in number 1 Udali Village, Bokolia, Langher, Karbi Anglong Autonomous District much before the vote counting date, that is before 4 May 2026. Yours faithfully.